Good day everyone. For today's video, I will show you the proper way for installing a driver in PC. So first is go to the settings on your PC and click the Windows Update and click this one, the advanced option, and click the optional updates and click the Android. After that, download and install. Just wait for 100% until it will download. Then, if it is finished, then you can see the Windows 11 version. So it means it's done. Thank you.